In this video, I'm going to show you how to get solo ads, and we're talking about targeted visitors to your website for absolutely free. We're starting right now. What's up guys? My name is John, and if this is the first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing. So if you have a laptop and you have an internet connection, I can show you how to generate income from home. So if that's the case, make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now guys, in this video today, I'm actually going to be showing you how you can get solo ads. We're talking real solo ads for absolutely free. Now I know that sounds a bit clickbaitish, but I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can actually do it. So if you want to get traffic to your squeeze pages, to your sales pages, to your funnels, I'm going to show you how to do that with solo ads and how I'm able to get solo ads for absolutely free. I'm just going to jump over to the laptop. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into this video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I've been able to, for the past few months, get unlimited free solo ads. So if you guys have been following me for any length of time, you know that solo ads is a marketing strategy or a traffic strategy that I use a lot. And one of the platforms that I buy solo ads from is this website right here called Udimi.com. So within Udemy, what a lot of people don't know is that Udemy actually has an affiliate network, and you can actually sell their solos. So you can actually sign up to be an affiliate for Udemy, and you're given a affiliate link. And if somebody goes in here, signs up for Udemy and purchases a solo ad from one of the many providers that are in the network, you can actually make a commission. So what I'm showing you here is basically some recent commissions that I've generated. And as you can see, like I've earned $26 here, but I have about $200, over $200 in pending commissions that Udemy will pay me out. Now, the cool thing about this site is you can actually get paid out two different ways. You can actually just take the cash and you can get paid out the cash, or you can actually just apply these funds right here to your solo ads. So if I wanted to use this whole, $240 toward solo ads, once this pending came available, I could actually go back into the site and purchase $240 worth of solo ads, thus giving me free solo ads. Now this is so powerful because this traffic that you're going to be getting, it's targeted. You're going to be getting real individuals that are interested in business opportunities, that are interested in MLMs, that are interested in affiliate marketing. And the more people that are in your niche that you can get to your squeeze pages, to your sales funnels, to your sales pages, you're going to be able to get leads and you're going to be able to generate sales. So this is very important. So how do you actually go about and promote this Udemy site? So there's two different ways that I would suggest that you do it. Number one is you can actually just promote the site straight up. So if you're in a business opportunity, if you're in an MLM, if you have some sort of following, you can actually just, promote Udemy. You can do a YouTube video. You can promote it on your blog. You can actually promote it to your list, or you can actually promote Udemy within systems. Now, there's a lot of different marketing systems out there that will set individuals up with their own affiliate marketing business, and within those systems they have traffic training, and they show these individuals different methods of getting traffic to your site. So usually within most of these affiliate marketing systems there is a solo ad section, and if the marketing system is good and the marketing system is looking out for the interests of the people and not the vendor or the product owner, they'll allow you to get some of those commissions for yourself. So as you're bringing people to that marketing system and people are promoting their system, they're going to be recommending that, you can buy solo ads to get fast traffic to your site. And if that vendor allows you to implement your affiliate link with, for instance, like a Udemy, then you can actually start making ongoing commissions as people are coming through your system. So those are two different ways that you can actually promote Udemy. Now, I actually wanted to take you guys through this site and show you how you could actually find the best sellers, solo sellers in this site, because I get this question a lot of, how do I go about finding good solo ad providers for my website? So what you would basically do is you would go through here and click on find sellers, and you want to basically do some filtering up here. So basically I start here with ratings, and typically I want to make sure that whoever I purchase a solo ad from has at least 100+ ratings. That means they're not a spanking brand newbie, and they've sent at least 100 solos. I also want to ensure that the people that they've sent solos for, I want to make sure that a certain percentage of those individuals have actually gotten sales. That's important. So I always choose like either 10 to 20% of those individuals have actually gotten sales. So I like to usually choose 20% on the high side. And then in terms of the solo ad amount, I usually keep it somewhere between 35 cents to 60 cents per click, because that's what I'm comfortable with. And then this is basically the visitors that you want to actually send to the website. So you can send as many visitors as you want and as little visitors as you want. If it's a new vendor, maybe you want to start with maybe 100 or 200 clicks and kind of test them out first. And then if you get some good results, then you can go back to that vendor and buy more clicks. And then this is basically just saying in how many days can that vendor actually send it. Basically, I want to make sure that they can send within the next 3 or 4 days. So now you can basically just take your time and walk through the vendor's profile to find out additional information about the vendor. So if I scroll down, I can actually see that this guy sends 96% top tier traffic. He has 19,000 people that are verified on his list. And I can also read some of the comments that people have said. Some of these individuals have made sales. They'll give information on over delivery. So you can actually read through this information and then make a decision if that's the person that you actually want to purchase a solo ad from. Solo ads are very, very good when you know what you're doing. And if you find good vendors and you have a good offer and a sales funnel in place and some follow-up emails, it's literally like printing money. So if you guys have never purchased solo ads, I will have a link in the description, obviously, for Udemy. And if you actually buy a solo ad through the link that I have in the description, you will get $5 off your first purchase. So make sure you check that link for Udemy in the description and you can get $5 off your first solo ad. So I hope all of this made sense, guys. I'm always trying to give you techniques and strategies and ways to help develop your business. And obviously, if you can get targeted traffic, solo ad traffic to your website and not have to pay for it, it's a great thing. So if you're out there promoting your different products and your different affiliate programs, it would be a good thing to add Udemy or any other traffic network to your portfolio of products that you're selling so that you can actually utilize those commissions to go ahead and purchase your solo ads, thus getting you more traffic, thus getting you more leads, thus getting you more sales. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. Hit that like button if you like that video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.